Hello everyone, I am Shreyas Rajan, representing Batch 17. I am going to present seminar on internship work which was done under the guidance of internal guide Dr. Lokesh MR and external guide Mr. Abhishek C. I welcome you all for my presentation. Now let's look at the contents that I will be go throughout this presentation. First, I'm going to talk about the company in which I was an intern. Next, I will tell what was the work assigned to me and how I completed the assigned work. Then, about the skills that I have gained throughout and after the internship. At last, how I got benefited from the internship. Now, let me tell about the company that offered me an internship. The company is Innovation Creation Solution, ICS. It's a digital service provider that aims to provide software designing and marketing solutions to individuals and businesses. They provide all kinds of technological and designing solution from billing software to web design or any customer demands. Their services offered includes web development, mobile applications, graphic and logo design, consultancy, video and animations, digital marketing, and so on. Coming to the work done, the internship was entitled as Python Machine Learning. The internship period was about a month. The internship started with basics of Python, how to work with Jupyter Notebook, and how to use Python libraries for machine learning. After the training was over, I was assigned to a task for automobile price prediction using machine learning. The problem statement was automobile sales are on a global increase, so there is a need for car price prediction system to effectively determine the worthiness of the car using variety of features. The objective here is to predict the retail price of a car by training different machine learning regression models on the given dataset and evaluate the performance of the individual models. The outcome of this project is a prediction system that optimizes for maximum efficiency and accuracy. Now, coming to the work process, in this experiment, there are 9 stages such as creating the model, training the model, and score and test the model. Creating the model includes another 3 sub-activities such as getting the data, preparing the data, and defining features. Train the model includes choose and apply any algorithm. Score and test model includes predict new automobile prices. In get the data division, the first thing we need in the machine learning is data. The data set includes entries for various individual automobiles, including the information such as model, technical specifications, and its prices. Preparing the data usually requires some pre-processing before it can be analyzed. You might have noticed in the data set the missing value present in the column of various rows. These missing values need to be cleaned so the model can be analyzed with correct data correctly. We will remove any row that have missing values. Also, the normalized losses column has a large proportion of missing values. So, I have excluded the column from the model altogether. First, I added a model that removes normalized losses column completely. Then I added another module that removes any row that has missing data. In the data set taken, each row represents one automobile and each column is a feature of the automobile. The model was built which uses a subset of features in the dataset. At last, choose and applying an algorithm. The data is ready. constructing a predictive model consisting of training and testing. We will use our data to train the model, and then we test the model to see how closely it is able to predict prices. Because we want to predict price, which is number, we will use regression algorithms. Coming to the results, this process, this experiment is done using regression algorithm to predict the price of a car based on different variables. I used supervised machine learning algorithms such as linear regression, decision tree, gradient boosting, random forest regressor. Finally, the gradient boosting turns out to be the best fit with accuracy of 92%. Coming to the skills acquired, the technical skills are Python essentials and its basics, data analysis libraries such as pandas and numpy, and a brief introduction to machine learning and its algorithm, data visual libraries such as matplotlib, and finally model optimization and its deployment. The non-technical skills attained are: first, I applied my knowledge to achieve the task assigned. With the help of it, I gained professional standards. I learned the skill of problem solving from the challenges I faced while performing the task. As I was given a deadline to complete the project, I learned to manage my time to achieve the given task. As an intern, I completed my task with full commitment. Now, let me tell how I was benefited from the internship. First, I got to explore the career path in the field of data science. I got myself an opportunity to develop my skills. As an intern, I got some work experience in the corporate IT fields. After successful completion of the internship, I gained confidence in the domain of machine learning. And this is the completion certificate. Thank you.